So my name is Rajesh Kumar. So I'm going to talk about the ERP, SAP ERP, and material master data in our today's presentation. So let's begin. So today we are going to see what are the contents we are going to cover. We will just look into it. So first will be the introduction part. So next is SAP evolution, then SAP modules, then enterprise structure, then SAP material management, then master data, material master data. So these are the topics we are going to cover in this PPT today. So coming to introduction, so what is SAP? So SAP is its abbreviation is Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. So it is the widely used ERP tool, that is Enterprise Resource Planning, all over the world. So it is mainly for the organization's basic functions. So it will be helpful to manage all the activities like the production, financial activities, whatever the credits and every activities that is involved in an organization we can systemize in the SAP. So it is not only suitable for only large companies or organizations. It is suitable from small enterprises to large enterprises also. So it provides end-to-end solutions, that is like all the financial, logistic, manufacturing, distribution, sales. So everything we can manage using SAP. So this is what is main advantage in this SAP is everything can be done in one software. Everyone will be in the correct loop, and they will be within the organization to understand what are the activities happening in the organization. So that is helpful for business growth and development. So let's talk about the evolution. So it is like first initially founded in the year 1972 and named as SAP R1, and it is then developed into R2 in the 1979. So which provided centralized data processing. In the 1990s, in the 1992, the SAP R3 was developed. So it became one of the global leader in ERP software, and it introduced ABAP. In the 2000, SAP ECC was introduced. So it was helpful integration and web-based applications. In the 2010, SAP HANA was introduced, and in 2015, SAP S4 HANA was also introduced. So what's the difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA is like till ECC the server was not an inbuilt server. From SAP HANA it was an inbuilt server used for all the activities. And at present, we are with Rising with SAP, with all the intelligent like AI activities, everything we are implementing. So coming to SAP landscape structure, so SAP is mainly consists of development system, quality assurance system, and production system. So mainly development system is controlled by the developers who develop the software system. And coming to quality assurance, they are the one who verify or checks or test the software developed by the developers, and it also useful for the end user. And in production part system, that is where we play a role, like with the consultants who like customize, configure everything. So moving to SAP modules, there are two different modules, that is functional modules and technical modules. In functional modules, we have number of modules, but we have some specific modules which are more important to the SAP organization, SAP system. So that is MM, there is material management, SD, sales and distribution, FICO, that is financial, accounting and controlling, PP, that is production planning, QM, that is quality management, then HR, then EWM, that is extended warehouse management. In the technical modules, we have ABAP, basis, and security. Moving to the SAP enterprise structure. So it is the structure we developed within an organization to process and develop the business process using SAP system. So defining the enterprise structure is the key step in the SAP implementation. That is the foremost activity that we will be doing in the SAP system. So there are two different methods to define and assign the enterprise structures. So that is one is using T codes and SPRO path. So T codes is like transaction codes. SPRO path is has SAP project reference object. These are the T codes and SPRO path. So for modules FICO and MM. For MM to define company, it is OX15. To define credit control area, the T code is OB45. And to define company code, it is OX02. And to maintain controlling area, it is OKKP. So these four organizational data comes under the FICO module. And moving to the MM module, we have plan for the to create plan. It is OX10, and to maintain storage location, it is OX09. To define purchase organization, it is OX08. And to define purchase group, it is OME4. So we have this option to also use SPRO path. So moving to SAP material management. So material management is the what are the activities that involves use of materials, for example, raw materials, finished products, everything. The management or the defining the material category in this the material management. So it involves all the vendors details, purchasing details, storage location details, everything related to material that is in and out of the material in the SAP system will be comes under this SAP material management. So material management, we cannot solely have solely React. So it has to integrate with some of the functional modules listed before. So one is FI financial accounting, another is SD sales and distribution, and another is production planning, then warehouse management. So in the financial accounting, it is mostly used for invoicing and purchase related activities and receipts, those kind of activities. And for sales and distribution, it is the order fulfillment, that is like stock units, unit of SKUs, and how it is like distributed. Those activities come integrated SD. Production planning is raw material availability. So the need of raw materials and stocks and stock of raw materials whichever required. And warehouse management is the storage part. So we need to have storage details, everything within the warehouse management. So it is integrated with the warehouse management. So the next topic is SAP master data. So SAP master data is the major data that is covers all the production activities and whatever the material management comes across, that is managed by the SAP master data. It is used relatively repetitively in the SAP system for either transactions or purchasing activities, sales and distribution activities. So everything will be involved. So there are different types of master data in SAP. So one is material master, vendor master, purchasing info record, source list, quota arrangement, and service master. So in different types of master data, we are going to see the material master. So material master contains all the basic and adequate information whichever to manage the material within the SAP system. And as we mentioned, with integration, it can be used across several modules, SDPP and warehouse management. These are the activities and T codes which is used in the material master. To create material, it is MM01, and to change or edit the material master, it's MM02, and to display or just view the material which you have created, that is MM03, and see the list of materials to MM60, and to if the material or the anything is like need to be deleted or removed from these, we use material flag for deletion, and T code for that is MM06. So there are some prerequisites required for creating a material master. So one is industry sector, then material type and number range. The industry type, the T code is used is OMS3, and to create the material type is OMS2, and to define the number range, it is MMNR. So since we are creating the in and out of material data in this material master, we have different material types. So that are raw materials, and the T code used for that is ROH. So for material type finished products, it is FART, and for semi finished products, it is HALB, and for packaging and materials, it is VERP, and for services, it is SARP. So thank you, team.
Hi team, this is Rakesh Kamble. Now I'm going to present SAP first topic like enterprise structure and master data. This is my first PPT I'm presenting. If I missed something, please bear me. In the SAP, you are collecting like a table contains SAP introduction, features and evaluation, modules of SAP. Again, introduction to SAP MM and its features and integration process, enterprise structure and its definition and assignments, and introduction of master data, and material master data and its features. Introduction of SAP. SAP stands for Systems Application and Products in Data Processing. It is a global leader in enterprise resource planning ERP software, helping organizations manage the business process through an integrated system. SAP founded in 1972 in Germany. SAP has grown into one of the largest software companies in the world. Features of SAP: centralized data centralization, automation, accessibility, globalization, and visualization, overall revenue and growth. It all comes from SAP features. Evolution of SAP. SAP incorporated in 1972, like R1. Again, R2 established in 1979. The R3 established in 1992. Again, SAP R3 ECC founded in 2004, and SAP ECC 6.0 incorporated in 2005, and SAP ECC R3 6.0 incorporated 2021, and now we're into like a advanced version of S4 HANA. It's founded 2015. Types of SAP models. There are two types of SAP models, like a functional models and technical models. Coming to a functional model, there are multiple models in the functional, like MM. MM stands for material management. SD stands for sales and distribution, and PP production and planning. HR stands for human resource. PICO stands for finance and accounting, and HCM supply chain management. EWM extended warehouse management, and planning and maintenance. Coming to technical models, above advanced business application programming, above stands for, and business applications software integrated solutions, that is basis. Again, business intelligence and business warehouse. One more, NetWeaver. These are the technical models. Coming to SAP MM. SAP MM stands for material management. It is a key module in SAP ERP that it handles both raw material and inventory management. Ensures that there is no storage of material in the supply chain management. It helps improve the efficiency of procurement activities. Again, SAP MM accelerates productivity while reducing overall procurement cost, and it handles various business aspects like material requirement planning, vendor evaluation, procurement, material validation, and warehouse management and its invoice verification. SAP MM models integration. It has 4 integrations like MM, material management, finance and controlling, production and planning, and sales and distribution. Enterprise structure. It has two modules like FICO and MM. FICO come into finance and controlling. We are made of table content here like org data, T codes, table and characters. What are the requirements it need? Company like org data. Company stand for a legal. The company is the highest organization unit in SAP. For its creation code OX15 and table for company T880, and it has 6 characters to creation of company. Coming to credit control area. Credit control area is the organization unit for credit management. For credit control area creation, T code OB45 and table for credit control area T014, and it has 4 characters. Like it allows company code. Company code is a legal entity with a company for which financial statements are prepared. For company creation, T code is OX02. Table for company code T001, and it has 4 characters. Credit control area. Credit control area is organization unit of credit management. It's used for cost accounting and management accounting. Credit control area. Creation of the credit control area T code OKKP. A table for credit control area TK801, and it has 4 characters. Coming to MM module, MM stands for material management. For plant and organization unit within logistics, we can store there. For plant creation, T code OX10 and table for plant T001W, and it has 4 characters. Storage location. Storage location is we can store the raw materials or semi-finished goods. That is called storage location. And the creation of storage location T code OX09 and table for storage location T001L. It also has 4 characters. Purchase organization. Purchase organization represent responsible procurement and material services where purchase activities are happened. And creation for purchase organization T code OX08. Table for purchase organization T024E, and it has 4 characters. Purchase group where purchasing activities will happen. For purchase organization table T code for purchase organization OME4, and table for that T024, and it has 3 characters. Moving ahead, enterprise structure, SP or path for definition of org data. For company, like it will take lengthy to explain SP or path while we are logging into SAP system. We have to first go to SPRO, then SAP reference implementation and guide, and enterprise structure, then definitions. After definition, we have to choose financial accounting. Below financial accounting, definition, define company. Then you have to execute over there for company creation. Like that, we have to for company credit control area, company code controlling area, like that, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchase group. Its own specifications and path it contains. I'll move forward. Master data. Master data, types of master data: material master, vendor master, purchase info record, a source list, quota arrangement, and service master. Coming to material master. Material master is the central source of information about a material, like a product, raw material, finished goods, or services. It contains all the essential data a company needs to manage a material across different departments like procurement, inventory management, sales, production, and accounting. Material master T codes, creating materials MM01. Again, edit and change MM02. For display T code MM03. Track the changes T code for MM04. List of materials T code MM60. Flag of deletion T code MM06. Material master data, it has prerequisites for T codes and characters. For industry sector, OMS3, and it has 1 character. Material type T code OMS2, and it has 4 characters. Number range MMNR, it has 18 characters. Material master data in tables, like a description and table. General data table MARA. For plant data table MARC. Storage location table MARD. Material description table MA KT, unit of measurement, table MA RM, valuation details MBEW. That's it, team.
Hi team, good morning. I'm Sahana. Today I will present enterprise structure and master data. First, table of content, introduction to SAP, its layers and landscape systems, modules of SAP, then enterprise structure definition and assignments, introduction to master data and its types. Coming to introduction to SAP ERP. SAP is System Application Products in Data Processing. It was founded in Germany in 1972. It created standard application software for real-time business processing. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP is also a ERP software. Then coming to SAP Landscape Evolution. In SAP R1 1972. Started in 1972 and SAP R2 started in 1979. Then started it was failed versions. Then coming to SAP R3 in 1992 was started and SAP R3 ECC. This is the updated for in 2004 and also SAP ECC R3 6.0 updated in 2005. And also SAP ECC R3 7.70 updated in 2021. These are all Oracle database having characteristics 18 characteristics updated up to 2021. Then in 2015 SAP ECC is updated to SAP S4 HANA. HANA means high performance analytic appliances. SAP implementation in 2015 having 40 characteristics. Then coming to SAP ERP architecture, it consists of 3 layers: presentation layer, application layer, database layer. Presentation layer means how we can see the data in presentation layer. Then application layer, SAP runs in one database. In this layer, SAP runs in one database. Then database layer, SAP introduced the one database. Name is HANA. That is called SAP database layer. Then coming to landscape systems. Mainly 3 systems: development system, quality system, production system. In development system, the development system name is also called as golden client because this system is very precious. That is called golden client. In this system, configuration and customization, both the activity can be done in this system. That is called development system. Then coming to quality assurance system. In this system, the name indicates quality. Quality means test and inspection. These are all the activities can be done in this system, like testing, training, inspection. Everything can be done in this quality assurance system. Then go to production system. Production system means real-time system. That means convert raw material to finished or semi-finished materials in real-time system. That is called production system. Then go to modules in SAP. There are 2 modules. One is functional module, another one is technical modules. In functional modules, there is no programming and coding. In technical module, there is coding and programming. Functional modules having 7 modules. One is material management, sales and distribution, financial accounting and controlling, production planning, quality management, human resource and extended warehouse management. In coming to material management, they taken care of purchasing activities like how to contact suppliers, how to get the price, how to place the materials, and how to do the payment for the suppliers, and how to get the orders. That is our purchasing activities and also procurement activities. Purchasing activities means single time purchasing the activity for single use, and then procurement activities means by purchasing bulk or more quantity we are purchasing. It includes price, delivery date, payment terms, agreements, contracts, negotiation. All the terms we can see in the procurement activities. That activity is taken care in the material management. Then come to sales and distribution. The name indicates sales. Sales means sell the products, goods, materials, all are same. That is called sales and distribution. Then come to financial accounting and controlling. That means taken care of the financial activities in company, industries. In financial activities, AP and AR will become. AP means account payable, AR means account receivable. The job of AP is to pay the money to the suppliers. It deals with the MM team. And come to account receivable. Their job is to collect the money from the customers, sales teams. It deals with the customers. That is called financial activity. Then come to production planning. Production planning means the taken care of production activities like convert raw material to finished or semi-finished materials. That is called production planning. Then quality management. We check the quality of the materials to inspect the quality, to check the quality of the materials with respect to service also. That is called quality management. Then come to human resource. Human resource, the responsibility is taken care of employees like documentation, attendance, pay slip, anything in employees, their responsibility taken care of human resource. Then come to extended warehouse management. Extended warehouse management means we can store the materials in warehouse. That is called extended warehouse management. Come to technical modules. These are all working with programming, ABAP, basis, security. These work with the help of functional modules. That is called technical modules. ABAP, basis, security, business intelligence, and business warehouse. Then coming to SAP enterprise structure or organization structure. In FICO, company, credit control area, company code, controlling area. In MM, plant, storage, purchase organization, purchase group. In company is a topmost organization data. In company having multiple different departments like storage department, purchase, production, sales, all the different departments comes under the company. The data will be stored in company. Then credit control area. Credit control area, company gives the credit limit to the customers. That is called credit control area. Like credit card. This is also in industries. Company give the credit limit to the customers. Then coming to company code. Company code means the financial activities will take place like profit or loss, that comes under the company code. Then controlling area. Controlling area is same as company code. How much loss, how much profit, all comes under controlling area. Then coming to MM plant. Plant means operating area. Like all the production activities comes under the plant. Like similar to same raw material to convert raw material to finished or semi-finished materials. This is the operating area. Then storage location. Storage location is within the plant where we can store the materials in physically. That is called storage location. Then come to purchase organization. Purchase organization, purchase activities will take place. Purchase the raw materials from the suppliers or vendors. Both are same. Come to purchase group. Purchase group means the group of people working in the purchase organization. In the purchase organization to fulfill their requirements and also the responsible for the procuring the particular material. This purchase group is responsible for the procuring particular material. That is called, the work is purchase group. Then coming to enterprise structure. Enterprise, to create the enterprise structures in SPRO path and using T code also. In company, go to SPRO path and also using T codes we create the enterprise structure. Credit control area, company code, controlling area, using SPRO path and T codes also we create the enterprise structures. Then coming to assignment, all the creation of enterprise structure is done, then assign the company code, plant, purchase organization with assigned to company, credit control area, controlling area using SPRO path. We already know how to create and how to assign. Then coming to master data. Master data means one-time creation data. There is no, we can't error and remove the data. It is a one-time creation data. The data is required to perform business transactions. We have 6 master data. Material master data, vendor master data, purchase info record means purchase information records, source list, quota arrangement, service master. Material master data is called complete specification about the material. Like specification means material weight, material quantity, unit of measurement of the material, how to transport the material, all the specification we can see in the material master data. Then vendor master data. Vendor master data means they supply the materials, one who supply the materials along with service. That is called vendor master data. Then PIR. PIR means purchase info record. The standard quantity or minimum ordered quantity. Any quantity, one price is considered. The price can be issued from the vendor. That price is maintained in the PIR. That is called purchase info record. Then source list. Source list means to maintain the multiple suppliers because of backup. In purchasing any one materials, because there is having 4 to 5 vendors, because to see the better price, to maintain the backup. That is called source list. Then service master. Service master means to service the materials, planned or unplanned, to service the materials. Then the SAP will be designed. That is called service master. Then material master data, to create the materials having T codes, create material MM01, edit or change MM02, display MM03, then list of materials MM06, flag for deletion means block or delete the materials using T code MM06. Then tables, material master data tables, MARA for general data. The table is MARC for plant data, MARD storage location, MAKT material description, MARM unit of measurement, MBEWO valuation details. These are the tables using in material master data. Then come to how to create the materials using SAP easy access path or using T codes. We already know using T codes or SAP easy access path. In industrial sector, material type number range using T codes or SPRO path. T codes is OM-S3, material type T code is OM-S2, number range T code is MM-N3, or also SPRO path. Then create the material, T code is MM01, and also create the material SAP easy access path to create the materials. Thank you, team. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Myself Satish Kumar. I'm going to present SAP ERP enterprise structure and master data, and these are the table of contents and SAP introduction and features, landscape and evaluation, and modules of SAP, and enterprise structure definition and assignment, and introduction to master data and material master data and its features. SAP, the full form is System Application Product. SAP in a data processing, SAP is also the name of ERP software as well the name company, and SAP software is a European multinational company founded in 1972. And these are the features: data centralization, automation, real-time analytics, and integration and scalability. And data centralization database, single source of truth for all the business operations. And automation reduces the manual work and improve efficiency. And the real-time analytics provides accurate data for decision making. And the integration connects different departments for seamless communication. And then the last one is scalability, and the grows within the business and adapts the changes. And coming to the topic, the SAP landscape. Actually, we have three here, like dev, QAS, and PRD. The dev means like development, and QA is quality assurance and testing, and PRD means production. And dev is used for configuration, customization, and development in SAP applications. Like we can call it as a golden client also, because it is a precious one. And coming to the next one, like QAS, quality assurance. Usually we are doing here like testings and trainings, and testing, development, and configuration, like before moving to the production. And then the last one is production. Like SAP system is used by end users for like daily business operations. And transport path is like dev, QAS, and production. Going to the next one, evolution of SAP. Yeah, initially the SAP launched the R1 in 1972, and R2 in 1979, and R3 in 1992, and R3 ECC in 2004, and SAP ECC R3 6.0 in 2005, and SAP ECC R3 7.70 in 2021. And the last one currently we are using the SAP S4 HANA in 2015. Like initially they introduced R1, and the R1 and R2 failed versions. In R3 they updated in 1972. Like from SAP R1 72 17 to SAP ECC 7.0 2001, it's a like Oracle database. And from S4 HANA, it's onwards like a HANA database. It's a own database. And SAP ECC, it will no longer by 2027, like SAP ECC. So companies will end to migrate to S4 HANA. Coming to the next topic, SAP modules. We have two modules here, like functional modules and technical modules. The few of the functional modules are like material management, production planning, and financial and controlling, sales distribution, and extended warehouse management, human resources, and supply chain management. Here we have four technical modules: ABAP, advanced business application programming, and business application, and software integrated solution. And here business BI, business intelligence, and BW, business ware. And the last one is security. SAP MM module integration. SAP we are integrating with four modules. These are like sales and distribution, financial and controlling, and PP, production and planning. Actually, I forgot to mention warehouse EWS, extended warehouse management. And SD links materials availability with sales orders. PP manages raw materials for production. PICO tracks procurement and costs, and the payments. Going to the next one, enterprise structure, defining the organizational data. In FICO, we have four organizational data units: company, credit control, company code, controlling area. Company is the topmost organization unit, which incorporates individual financial accounts statements for several company codes. And the T code was like OX15, and the table was for company T880. And coming to the next one, credit control area. Credit control area is controls the monitors credit limits of customers, and the T code was OB45 and the table was 3014. And coming to the company code is the smallest organization unit in financial accounting, for which you draw individual financial statements like balance sheets and profits and costs. The T code was for company code is OX02 and the table was T001. And the next one is controlling area. Controlling area is an organizational element which is responsible for management of costs and profits. And the T code was OKKP and the table was TAK01. We have organizational elements in MM also. Those are like plant, storage, location, purchase organization, and purchase group. And plant is an operation area in an organizational unit. It is a manufacturing unit, and the T code was OX10 and the table was T001W. And the storage location, where we are storing the materials, the T code was OX09 and the table was T001L. The purchasing organization. Purchasing organization where it takes place responsible for all the purchasing activities. And the T code was OX08 and the table was T024E. And the last one is purchase group. Purchase group is the group of people who works in a purchase organization. The T code was OME4 and the table was T024. And in enterprise structure, we are assigning the assignments also, company code to company code to credit control area, company code to controlling area. A company code to company, the T code was OX16 and company code to credit control area T code was OB38 and company code to controlling area T code was OX19. And in plan to company code, the T code was OX18 and the purchase organization to company code, the T code was OX01. And the last one, purchase organization to plant, is OX17 or the T code. SAP material management. SAP material management means master data refers to the core data that is maintained in the system and used repeatedly in various procurement, materials and management process. And coming to the master data. In master data is required to perform business transactions, it remains relatively unchanged over the time, and it is used across multiple processes in the system. These are in material master data, vendor master data, purchase info record, source list, quota management, and service master. In material master data, we can call it as MMD, and vendor master data we can call it as VMD. Purchase info record we can call it as PIR. Material master data refers to all the material records which are stored in SAP system. The material master is central source of information for a material related to the several application area purchasing, storage, accounting, and sales. These are the prerequisites which we are using. Industry sector. Industry sector is used to define industry to which a material belongs to, and it is specified when creating a material master record, and it determines the type of data fields. And the industry sector represents the category and the sector in which a company operates for all systems which the material is used. And the T code was OMS3, and we have only one characteristics for industry sector, and we can use the SPRFO path also for this. And then the next one is material type. Material type, a key classification that determines the behavior and the management of a material within the SAP. And the T code was OMS2, and the characteristics was 4. Then the last one is number range. It refers to the configuration that controls how materials are assigned when creating a materials The materials number is a unique identifier used to track the record and manage materials in the SAP system. Like the T code was MMNR, like the characteristics was 18. Like in S4 HANA, we have 40 characteristics, but in ECC we have only 18 characteristics. And the material master data. In material master data, like material creation, the T code was MM01. For edit and change MM02, display MM03, track the changes MM04, and the list of materials MM60, and flag deletion for like the T code was MM06. And for these T codes also we can use the SPRO path, and the material master data tables. Like for general data, the table was MERA, plant data table was MERC, and storage location table was MERD, material description table was MEKT, and the unit of measurement table was MERN, and the last one valuation details, the table was MEEW. This one we can use it easy access path. That's it. Thank you.